What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see from the title, is a very sad day because we are unfortunately letting go of our Elantra N. There's gonna be a lot of questions, so I'm gonna go over them right now with you guys. So pretty much we are looking for another shop build. There is another car coming into the channel and we had to get rid of one of the cars, you know. We have the WX, which definitely gonna keep, obviously, the Type R that we just picked up, and we have the Elantra. So we went with the owner, we had a couple of meetings, and pretty much we decided to let go of the Elantra. And there's a couple of reasons, actually. I'll get into details later. The car is an amazing car. Hey, you guys know we got this last year or so we have about over a year. Jerry's the one actually been driving this car most of the time, and he has put in about 16,000 miles. No issues at all, actually. Car runs great. We have the downpipe, intake, and some Boomba parts here and there. So I mean, overall, like, no issues. The car drives great, you know. It's really an awesome car. Performance wise, you know, the fuel, MPG, everything about the car, it's an amazing car. So also on the car, you guys know we, you know, built the front lip, the side skirts. We lowered it on a Shark suspension from Korea, some Koenig wheels, rear diffuser, some minor overlays here and there, and that's pretty much it as far as mods for the car. You know, even the inside, everything's pretty much brand new. So, and the main reason we're selling the car, guys, is this car doesn't have enough market for us. Originally, we were deciding to make a full titanium cap exhaust, a couple more AERO parts, spoilers, but there wasn't that much people interested. There was, but not enough for us to develop parts. Again, we were still in the business, still make parts, but because the market demand isn't as high, we can't go into production for a lot of pieces. But like for like lips and side skirts, you know, we only sold a couple hundred, not that much for Elantra. Again, compared to the WX, we sold like thousands. So, you know, not much people do buy the Elantra. I don't know why. I think it's a great, fantastic car. For $35,000, you're not getting anything better than this. Like I said this since day one, you know, the car, it drives good, it rides good, the seats, I love the seats. To this day, I still love the seats, you know, and like for 16,000 miles, the seats are holding up. A lot of cars, even BMWs, I think around like 10,000 miles, the seats get hella crusted from my own BMW. That's how I know. Infotainment system, launch control, man, everything about this car, rev match, right? You can't complain. I can't even get down the WX. Even the new TR coming out, almost $50,000 for the WX, can't give you like auto rev match, you know? And the infotainment system, you can't beat it. Again, BMW inside, Hyundai outside. And that kind of brings me back. A lot of people don't like the Hyundai because of the brand, you know, but I mean, Hyundai's been upping the game a lot. If you guys been to the last LA Auto Show, dude, the whole lineup is legit, you know. Not just the N, but the N line as well. They're pretty reliable cars. 10-year warranty, dude, where else can you get that? Aside from that, our Elantra though, the only one thing I would say, we are getting some white smoke, very, very minor from the back. We don't know where it is. We checked it out, everything's fine. So that's the only thing that I really have to say about it for having like almost 20,000 miles. Oh guys, also in the back, as you can see, Jerry debadged the whole thing right here. So it looks cleaner, you know? And then we have some other parts that we didn't get to put on yet. And a lot of guys be asking about the tune, right? So like I said, because it was kind of having some light smoke, we didn't want to tune the car and potentially cause some issues, because I looked into a lot of tunes and sometimes some of the tunes are kind of iffy, you know? Not perfect, but iffy. I don't know, then that kind of left us in the situation right now where, you know, our new car's coming in, which I'll show you guys in another video, and then we gotta get rid of one of these cars. It's unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully in the future, we do get another Elantra, because the new facelift just came out and it looks sick. Then it all depends on, you know, how the market is. If there's more buyers for the car, then we can develop more parts for the car. Jerry's gonna give you one last take of the Elantra before we put it back to stock. And if you guys are anyone interested in these parts, we're gonna have the wheels off, the lip, the side skirts, the intake, all these will be available. If you guys ever wanna pick it up, let us know. We'll get it for hella cheap. Aside from that, guys, enjoy these B-rolls, some sound clips, exhaust, and one last look of the Elantra before it gets replaced. that's it for today's sad video. But like I said, I didn't spend that much time with this car. If anything, Jared's more sad than I am because he definitely spends more time with the car than I do. I've probably driven this like 10 times, maybe like a little less than 1,000 miles since we got it, more money and playing around with it. Kind of bummed out, but it is what it is, you know. So thanks for watching, guys. The next video will be finally taking apart our WRX and working on the Type R because we got some engine parts coming in. Be sure to share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.